Can we use these as an example, kind of go through this real quick?
Sure, Randy.
Because you said this is buffalo grass, so I'm thinking when I hear buffalo grass, it's got to be the Panhandle or West Texas.
Exactly right. You need to be west of 35 and north and way west, because this grass is the most drought tolerant of all the grasses we see up here. But it's also the most weed invasive grass that we could have. If you put it in Houston, Texas, you know, it's just not going to work like some of these other grasses. We're really blessed in Texas. You can use a lot of these grasses all over Texas, but certain ones are better fitted to certain areas in Texas, and that's what we have to remember.
You have different levels of grasses here. You have zoysia, you have St. Augustine, and a Bermuda grass laid out here, and they all look completely different. So we talked about West Texas and North Texas. Where do these others fit in geographically here?
Well, St. Augustine, let's start with it because it is the most discussed and cussed grass in the state of Texas, literally. Its prime area is southeast Texas, but a lot of folks grow it all the way into San Antonio, Austin. It is probably the prime grass used in Texas at over 50% of the residences in the state.
What is it going to take to get a zoysia grass to become that?
It's going to take the sod producers growing a little more of it, and we have done that in the last 4 or 5 years. The sod producers in Texas have stepped up to the plate, and they've grown a whole new variety of zoysia grasses. We have a very fine textured zoysia grass here with very fine leaves, might even look like a Bermuda grass. And this grass can go in a fairway or it can go in your front yard. Or we can go to a medium textured zoysia, which a lot of homeowners prefer it, a little easier on the mowing. And this is more of a japonica. The sod growers in Texas have 8, 9, 10 of these different grasses that you can choose from now. And these are probably the widest adaptable turf in Texas to where you could grow it from McAllen to the Panhandle, from East Texas over to West Texas, El Paso. So it's very versatile.
If you have any more questions on any of this, get the grass facts at texasgrass.com.